Hello and welcome to another walk around video with us here at Subaru of Saskatoon. Today we are looking at a Consumer's Report most recommended model, the 2024 Subaru Crosstrek. Under the hood of the silver Crosstrek Onyx is a 2.5 liter engine that produces 182 horsepower and is paired with a CVT and Subaru's Symmetrical all-wheel drive. The lighting includes steering responsive headlights and LED fog lights. The Onyx sits on 18-inch tires and provides seating for 5. The front doors and tailgate have proximity key access, and taking a look at the driver's door panel are the mirror, lock, and window controls. The seating includes gray cloth with yellow inserts and 10-way power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support. The left side of the steering wheel include the radio and Bluetooth controls, and the cruise control features are on the right, and right below those are the heated steering wheel. Moving over to the center dash is an 11.6-inch infotainment screen that displays the backup camera. It is also wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and wireless charging. In the rear of the Crosstrek are USB-A and USB-C charging ports, 60/40 split folding seats, and armrest with cup holders. And a quick look in the trunk that provides a spare tire with tools and a good amount of cargo space. Thanks again for watching another review with us at Subaru of Saskatoon. Stop by or give us a call and set up a test drive with our sales team.